Discovering Paris. Hello everyone. Welcome to this exciting journey through Paris. Paris is one of the most beautiful and famous cities in the world. It is full of history, art, culture, food, shopping, and fun activities. Today, we will explore everything that makes Paris so special. Let's begin. Paris is the capital of France. It is also called the City of Light because it was one of the first cities to use streetlights. Paris is known for its romantic atmosphere, amazing architecture, and delicious food. Paris has a very long history. It started as a small village over 2,000 years ago. Now, it is one of the most visited cities in the world. Paris landmarks. Paris is famous for its beautiful buildings and landmarks. Let's talk about some of the most important ones. The Eiffel Tower is the most famous symbol of Paris. It was built in 1889 and is 330 meters tall. Millions of people visit the Eiffel Tower every year. You can go to the top and see an amazing view of the city. The Louvre Museum is the largest art museum in the world. It is home to the famous painting, the Mona Lisa, and many other beautiful artworks. The museum is a must-see for art lovers. Notre Dame Cathedral is a very old and beautiful church. It is famous for its Gothic architecture, stained glass windows, and big bells. It has been standing for over 850 years. The Arc de Triomphe is a large monument in the center of Paris. It honors soldiers who fought for France. You can climb to the top for a great view of the city. Sacré-Cœur Basilica is a white church on a hill called Montmartre. It is a peaceful place with an amazing view of Paris. Montmartre is also a neighborhood full of art and street performers. The Champs-Élysées is a famous avenue in Paris. It is lined with trees, shops, and cafes. At the end of the avenue, you will find the Arc de Triomphe. Paris museums. Paris has many museums. Most of them are world famous. The Louvre Museum, as we mentioned, is very big and full of art. You can spend a whole day there and still not see everything. The Musée d'Orsay is another famous museum. It is in an old train station and has many paintings and sculptures. You can see works by artists like Monet, Van Gogh, and Renoir. The Pompidou Center is a modern art museum. The building looks very unique with pipes and colorful designs on the outside. The Rodin Museum is perfect for sculpture lovers. It has many beautiful gardens where you can see famous works like The Thinker. Paris Parks and Gardens. Paris has many parks and gardens. These are great places to relax and enjoy nature. The Luxembourg Gardens is a beautiful park with fountains, flowers, and statues. Many people come here to walk, read, or have a picnic. The Tuileries Garden is next to the Louvre Museum. It is a great place to sit and enjoy the view of the Eiffel Tower and the Seine River. Bois de Boulogne is a large park on the west side of Paris. It has lakes, forests, and even a small zoo. Parc de Buttes-Chaumont is another beautiful park. It has a lake, waterfalls, and a bridge with great views. Food in Paris. Paris is famous for its food. There are many delicious things to try. Croissants are soft and buttery pastries. They are perfect for breakfast with coffee. Baguettes are long, crusty pieces of bread. They are a big part of French meals. Cheese is very popular in Paris. There are many types, like Brie, Camembert, and Roquefort. Macarons are small, colorful cookies. They come in many flavors like chocolate, raspberry, and pistachio. Crepes are thin pancakes. You can eat them with sweet toppings like Nutella or savory fillings like ham and cheese. French onion soup is a warm soup made with onions and melted cheese on top. It is very tasty. Shopping in Paris. Paris is one of the best cities in the world for shopping. The Galeries Lafayette is a big department store. It has clothes, shoes, and accessories from famous brands. Le Marais is a neighborhood with small shops, art galleries, and vintage stores. It is great for unique finds. The Champs-Élysées has many shops for clothes, jewelry, and cosmetics. It is a fun place to shop and explore. Saint-Ouen Flea Market is one of the largest flea markets in the world. You can find antiques, books, and special gifts. Fun activities in Paris. There are many fun things to do in Paris. Take a boat ride on the Seine River. You can see many landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, and the Louvre from the water. Visit Disneyland Paris. It is a magical place with rides, shows, and Disney characters. Watch a show at the Moulin Rouge. It is a famous cabaret with music, dancing, and colorful costumes. Enjoy street performances in Montmartre. You can see artists, musicians, and magicians. Ride a carousel. Paris has many beautiful carousels, especially near the Eiffel Tower. Nightlife in Paris. Paris is very beautiful at night. The Eiffel Tower sparkles with lights every evening. You can walk along the Seine River and see the bridges and buildings glowing. There are many cafes and bars where you can enjoy music and drinks. Getting around Paris. It is easy to travel in Paris. The metro is the underground train system. It is fast and easy to use. Buses are another good way to see the city. Bicycles are popular in Paris. You can rent a bike and ride around the city. Conclusion. Paris is a city full of history, culture, art, food, and fun. It is a place where the past and the present come together. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Paris. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.